Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you see and reveal your Facebook password on mobile while still logging into your account, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that sounds good, let's go and let's jump right into it. First we need to open the Facebook app, and then from here if you tap right here in the top right corner, you go to the menu, and from the menu you tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. And then from here, you need to go to Account Center right here. So lots of people will tell you in their tutorial videos that you need to tap on password and security right here in order for you to find the password. Maybe tap on change password in the top, but you can only change the password from here. You cannot reveal it. As you can see, it will demand the old password in order for you to change it. Now let me show you a cool trick on how can you find the password without having to log out. First, we need to go to settings. Here we go. Now from settings, scroll down until you find Google right there. And right here, guys, you need to tap on manage your Google account. This one right here. It will take you to this page. We need to go ahead and scroll down, but we need to be under the security category. First tap on security right here. And then scroll down until you find an option that says manage passwords. Here it is, guys. Go ahead and tap on manage passwords, and then from here you find every single password. You can search for Facebook right here, or you can just scroll down and find Facebook. Here it is. Go ahead and tap on it and you find the passwords to all of your different accounts on Facebook. All you need to do to reveal the passwords is to tap right here on this eye icon, and the password will be revealed to you just like that. As you can see, I can't record because the password is revealed for security reasons. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video, guys.